left the house at 5 in the morning. Then we got here still a little dark. It's a Thanksgiving weekend. And we're fishing. The sun is out now. It's pretty good. This place is surrounded by canyons. Like look. Wow. It's a beautiful spot. I haven't caught a fish. Chad caught one. A rainbow. Hopefully I'll get one soon here. It's getting warmer, so it's good. They're calling for snow this afternoon. So we'll see. Oh, that's a strong one. That's how far up we hiked this morning. Like all the way up. But still it's dark. The trees are turning yellow. It's fall season right now, and winter is also coming. So that means this river right here, we're not allowed to fish it at the end of this month. So we're just trying to fish this as much as we can fish it. We're just heading back to the car now. Still a far ways to go, but yeah, the river is nice. So that tree right there, there's a rope tied to it. Oh my god, we trusted our lives with that today, because we hiked it from all the way down there. I don't know if you could see it, but man, that was such a difficult hike. The river's right there. Beautiful spot though. But yeah. Yeah, so that's it. We've been fishing all day and it's been a lovely day. Snow's coming though, so we're just heading home and we'll see you in the next adventure again.